Hello boys and girls, welcome to this week's theme, which is ecosystems. This week we will be learning all about ecosystems. We will talk about what an ecosystem is and also where we can find them. And teacher will also explain one example of an ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of living organisms that will all work together and help one another. An ecosystem is made of living and non-living things in a particular area. What things are living and which are non-living? Here is a few examples of the living organisms. Plants, trees, animals, bugs, and insects. And here are a few of non-living things. Rocks, water, and sand. Ecosystem usually contains many different life forms. And each of these life forms have a job. Each is a worker and has a name. Producers, and these are the makers. Then we get the consumers, and this means to take in or eat. Then we get the decomposers, and this means to break down. So, who has which job? All plants are producers. And this is because they make their own food by the use of the sun, the soil, and the water. All animals and humans are consumers. This is because they eat the plants and other animals. And the decomposers are the bacteria in that area. Their job is to clean up all dead materials that are around. And this helps the plants to grow and the animals not to get sick. I'll give you an example on how an ecosystem works. Example, a swamp. In a swamp, there is water, sand, and soil, and some sunlight. And these are the non-living things. Then there are plants, trees, animals, bugs, and bacteria. This is all living things. Plants use sunlight and the water to grow. Grasshoppers eat the plants. Then there will be a frog that eats the grasshopper. Then a snake comes along and eats the frog. Then a bird will see the snake, which the bird catches the snake and eats it, leaving behind some leftover meat and bones. Then the bacteria will break down all the leftovers, and this will go back into the soil, and the cycle will all start over again, with the plants using the soil to grow. So boys and girls, if you think about it, an ecosystem is very interesting and fun. Especially if you think how everything works together and help each living thing. That's all for now, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed our discussion. I know it was very interesting for me. Until next time, bye.